In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for your exam day as Salesforce certifications. We'll follow a clear path that takes you from your first login to confident exam day readiness. Start by creating a free Trailhead account. This becomes your study home base where you track progress, earn badges, and spin up practice environments called playgrounds. Take a moment to set a target exam date, then align your study pace with that timeline so you always know what's next. Next, complete the Salesforce platform basics and CRM navigation modules. These lay the foundation for everything else. You'll learn the core language of Salesforce, apps, objects, records, and permissions, while getting comfortable with the interface. Move slowly enough to retain concepts, complete the hands-on challenges in a playground, and capture notes in your own words so the ideas stick. Now, strengthen your understanding of data modeling. Think of objects like spreadsheets or database tables and records like rows. Get familiar with fields, pick lists, formulas, and relationships such as lookup and master detail. Use Schema Builder to visualize how things connect. A helpful habit is sketching a simple diagram of objects and relationships before building anything. After that, focus on modern automation. Prioritize flow since it's the current standard for declarative automation. Explore record-triggered flows, screen flows, and scheduled flows, and learn when each is appropriate. Name your resources clearly, test in a playground, and review the order of execution so your automations behave predictably. Debugging is a skill. Practice it early. As you advance, specialize in AI and data cloud at a level appropriate for your target certification, build familiarity with Einstein capabilities and prompt design fundamentals, and understand data cloud concepts like data ingestion, harmonization, and segment activation. Use the official exam guide to calibrate how deep to go. You don't need everything, just what aligns with the blueprint. When you're ready, get certified and manufacture experience. Book your exam to create accountability, then simulate exam conditions with timed practice tests. In parallel, build small, real-world scenarios in a playground, like automating a simple approval process or modeling a sales pipeline, and document what you built and why. This portfolio proves your skills and reinforces knowledge. Finally, join local and online community groups. They're an excellent source of mentors, study buddies, and unposted job leads. Introduce yourself with your target cert, share what you're building, and ask for feedback. Community accountability keeps momentum high and helps you learn faster from others' experience. Follow this path consistently, and you'll walk into exam day prepared, calm, and ready to succeed.